Right, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Here we have the Equihunter Arena 3.5 tonne in metallic blue. This one is a stallion build, so you've got the nice strong heavy duty petition with a separate door there, as you can see, which both pivot out on the straps there, fully enclosed. Twin tie and hay net rings, bonded windows with protection bars, access holes to the rear of the vehicle, CCTV, LED lighting, nice wide bays. It's just a totally standard build, this. Hardly any extras on it at all, apart from the CCTV and the metallic paint upgrade. Obviously barn doors, which is an option. You can either have the up and over door, or as you can see on this model, the barn doors. The rear of the vehicle, little seating area there, twin saddle racks, twin bride looks, seating area with a lift up lid, light switch there for the vehicle. Equihunter branding on the back. You can see, nice modern back end. LED lighting at the top there, so if you're braking or indicating on the motorway or anything like that, vehicles behind you can see well back. Nice safety feature there by yourselves. So yeah, the Equihunter Arena 3.5 tonne heavy duty ramp. So as always, give us a like or share on Facebook, and keep looking guys. Hope you're enjoying the product. Cheers guys, thank you, bye.